Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any flexible rods where you can bend it anywhere in iClone 8 3D animation software. You can see this is a flexible rod which already have the skeletons. It's already rigged. And how to make this, how to create this, in this tutorial I'm going to show you all the step by step from the beginning, how to make this type of the flexible rods where you can bend it anywhere. And let's go. We are going to use the Blender as a 3D modeling tool. So first step, everything will start from the Blender. This is Blender 4.2 for the latest version today. Click the empty area, press A and press delete button to delete everything. Then add a mesh cylinder. Click and press S to make it small. Always remember, in Blender, each of the grids is equivalent to 1 meter times 1 meter. So you must make sure the size is in a good scale. Now, alright, so for this, I'm going to just scale it in this way. Then I will just scale it to make it become a rod. Alright, once done this step, next is the edit mode. So before that, in object mode here, you have to make sure you select it and press Ctrl A, make sure all transform. This step is very important. Then go to the edit mode right here, have a loop cut at the center. You can have a loop cut at the center. Then this loop cut you can just select as much as possible. For example, 100, like this. Then back to the selection. Now we can see you already have the loop cut. Once done this step, back to the object mode here, just add an armature. This armature, click and make sure it shows in front. So you have to click here, viewport display, show in front, and just make this armature, make sure you click it, go to the edit mode. Then the tail, just move it to the bottom, click the X so that you will know where is the bottom. The bottom is at here. Then the head, make sure go to the top at here. So once you've done this step, in edit mode, click the center, then right click subdivide a few times. I will just make it about 20 or 50. It is up to you. As demo, I'm going to just make it 20. Then back to the object mode here, just press A to select all of this, then press Ctrl A to make sure all transform again. Then click the rod, hold the shift, click the armature, Ctrl P select with automatic weights. Now you already bind the skin weights. This rig is to control and bend the rod. So now I go to the pose mode. In pose mode, I try to bend it to have a look. Alright, now you can see you can bend it anywhere. For example, if you want to bend it here, you can bend it anywhere. It is really easy. Say here. So this is a flexible rod. Again, press A and just back to the object mode, press A, Ctrl A to make sure all transform. And now we can transfer to iClone. Now to transfer it, first you just click File, Export, FBX on my desktop. Name this as, alright, the path mode, just choose copy. By it, flexible rod. rod. Alright, now just export as FBX on the desktop. Now the FBX is already here. We can import into iClone. This is iClone 8 3D animation software. Drag and drop this rod into iClone and have a look. Now this rod, just double click and select it. You can change the color in this way. Can be any color. Click OK. To bend it anywhere, because this is a flexible rod, you can just go to here, edit animation layer. Now you can see all of the rigs at here. Just press E, you can bend it anywhere as you want. You can bend it. It is really a flexible rod. Of course, this is just 20 rigs. You can make it about 50 rigs. It will become more flexible in anywhere. For 20 bones, you are unable to bend it at the center of any rig. But if you make it 100, the resolution will become higher. You can bend it really in details. Alright, now you can see you can bend it anywhere. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a flexible rod to just bend it anywhere in iClone 8 3D animation software just by using the Blender. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. This channel is all about the 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you in my next video. See you.